All right, y'all. So here we are. There's a project I'm going to be doing which requires some sort of welding, and I basically looked into it and I felt this was the best, cheapest setup for a beginner. I've laid a couple beads in my life and they looked like trash, but this is what I'm going to learn how to weld on. It's a 125 amp flux welder from Harbor Freight. They had it listed for like $130, and being a member, I got it today on Black Friday for $89. So that should be plenty of what I need. I'm basically just going to be tack welding and doing that along a seam. It's going to be for doing the front end swap on the Forester I have now. So I'm going to go through everything. I got it at Harbor Freight. This all cost me $278. All right, so to go through, we got a welding helmet that was $40. Just a cheap generic one to do the job. I'm sure as I get more into welding, you know, I'll get bigger and better stuff eventually. I'm just trying to get started here. So it's what I need to be able to do what I need. Whew. All right, so we got our helmet. We got a fireproof welding blanket so I can drape that over the engine as I'm welding in the car, because it is going to be pretty close to the engine. We got our regular cowhide welding gloves. I got a slag hammer. I got a 10-pack of cutoff wheels for my new grinder. I got .030 flux core welding wire. What is it, like a pound? 2 pounds? I got a couple pairs of vice grips, like $5 a piece. These were like, C-clamps were like $8 a piece. The awesome thing with Harbor Freight is their hand tools have a lifetime warranty on them. So what I like to do is I'll take some like red tape or red paint and put it around them somewhere. That way when they go in my tool collection, if they ever break and I can see that they have a red mark on them, I know that's a Harbor Freight tool and I can take it back. It's easy to lose track. So I got a bunch of magnets. They were like $4 or $5 a piece. So I just got a bunch of them like this. Got some smaller ones and another smaller one. So small, medium, and large. So I got some flux core tips, same gauge as the wire. So just because I'm new at welding, I'm not going to be good by any means, and that'll get done what I need to get done when I mess up the tip that it comes with. So I got a couple wire brushes. One's like a nylon bristle. Well, I think they're both wire brushes. That's definitely necessary for cleaning up your welds. I got a triangle for when it comes to squaring up pieces that I'm putting together. And just for my working on cars and stuff, I ran out of gloves, so I think this was like $8. There's like 50 of them. Yeah, so we'll see how they do. All right, let's unbox this welding. So yeah, when you pay, it's like $30 a year at Harbor Freight to become a member and get their membership deals. It literally pays for itself in tenfold. So I saved like $50 on this welder. A welder that was already cheap, got it for even cheaper. It comes with a wire brush, so that's pretty cool. What do we got here? Looks like just attachments. Oh, I think that's a piece of steel or something to start welding on. That's pretty cool. We got a tip and screws in here. I believe the only thing it does not come with is wire, so that's why I had to get that. All right, so we'll take all this crap out. All right, got one more piece in here, and just make sure that's it for that. Not sure exactly what that's for. We'll find out here. I mean, it looks like a pretty decent setup for how cheap it was. I mean, normally this thing's like 100, 120, 130. It's Black Friday, so that's why it was so cheap for me today. So we got our power cord. It's 120, not 220, so this will plug into a regular outlet. You probably want to do it on a GFI breaker or circuit in your garage somewhere. The one that has the reset buttons on it, just in case it becomes too much, it won't blow a breaker, it'll blow the outlet, and you can reset it. So we should be good though. If it was too much for an outlet, they probably wouldn't make it 120. So like, honestly, pretty quality. Like, I've never had another welder, but this is just exactly what I expected, even a little better than what I expected. So yeah, it came with an extra tip and one tip in here. This is a 0.03, so that's the size I have. Perfect. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all set up. I'm not really gonna do a video on that, just an unboxing, but you guys will see me using this welder in my future videos. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I feel like I won Black Friday altogether, so really happy with everything I bought. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you picked up this Black Friday and the money you saved. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.